What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital. We're here with Morgan Lekstrom, president of Lakewood Exploration. How are you doing today, Morgan?
Fantastic, Aaron. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's nice to have you back. So I know you guys just announced some exciting news. I would love an update on the company, but more so, let's hear all about the exciting news that you guys just put out.
It is exciting. It's super transformative for us. It falls right onto our triple-pronged approach of large exploration payoff, near-term production potential, but also that acquisition. So we just acquired the Eliza project in Hamilton and the Silverton project in the Silver Alley. And I know that's kind of funny because we're in the Silver Valley right now. Now we're in the Silver Alley and Hamilton. So I just want to briefly touch on Hamilton. It's such a prolific silver area, 40 million ounces mined from there in a short span of 10 years in the 1800s. Never have gone back, never any modern mining methodology. The grades were up to 25,000 grams a ton. And we're actually seeing mineralization on surface. Our geologists are out there, we're out there looking, and they're like, okay, hold on, how's this gone amiss for so long? So we were able to pick that up in this transaction, as well as a project called Silverton. Now, the Silverton area, again, super transformative as well. High grade targets. The average is 933 grams a ton coming out of there. But the really unique part of this is our geologists go down there and I said, well, what does it look like around Mountain? And they're like, nothing looks like Round Mountain. And they get down there and they go, well, hold on. They give us a call and they go, this could be Round Mountain. This is very similar to the signature from Round Mountain. So there's a lot of good hype around this, but there's a lot of potential there. It fits our model of large exploration payoff, but also that near-term production potential. Now switching back to that Hamilton Eliza area, this is right off the Eberhard Fault. So Eberhard Fault has the old California mine that was sold for $1 million in the 1800s. Like, that is a lot of money back then. There is a saying from the Nevada Bureau of Mines that says this is the most notable mine south of the Eberhard Fault. South. So we picked up an entire land package along there from a very well-known geologist. He is excellent. He's an excellent partner to have. This was a pure share deal with a small 20,000 kicker, so it doesn't take from our till. The main part I want everyone to realize with this is that the potential in that area in Nevada is insane. The California mine produced between 5,600 grams and 18,700 grams a ton of silver when it was in production. That is production numbers. Those are very high, and they drew us to the project originally. The quality of the assays that we're getting on surface, I'm sure we'll have results. The quality of the project overall, there's old mine shafts there. There's so much available surface that we're getting some geology folks together and we're attacking this. So from our side of this fits our exact model: near-term production potential assets, large exploration payoff with a potential large payoff for shareholders.
Yeah, and the stock has already done very well. So Lakewood Exploration recently sampled up to 2,700 plus grams per ton silver and 4.8 grams per ton gold at the past producing silver mine in Idaho. These are fantastic results. Can you tell us more about this?
100%. You're right. They're fantastic results. Those are from chip samples of the underground. We're in the underground. It is usable underground. We're looking at doing multiple different types of sampling underground. We're looking at our exploration options and what to utilize in a combination between surface and underground. So, you know, when you hear past producing mines, a lot of people say, well, hey, it was done in the 70s. It's probably not in good shape. I've personally been underground there. I've been with our geology team. It is in great shape. I'm really happy with the availability it provides us. So that 2,700 grams a ton was just a chip sample right off the ore body. I mean, we're seeing that mineralization on surface as well. At lower grades, we're seeing that gold credit. And I know you and I have talked about this before, Aaron, but that gold credit for people that don't know about gold credit, that is when we mine the silver and we process it, we actually get a gold grade out of it. And for everyone to understand, we're getting 4 to 5 grams a ton, all the way up to 9 grams a ton gold. Most gold mines are built on less than 1 gram a ton.
Yeah.
So, and silver mines are built on 100 to 250 grams a ton. So we're in a really good position.
Yeah, no, it's awesome to hear it. So you just had a press release of strong mineralization on surface. Can you tell us what that means for Lakewood and shareholders?
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, the mineralization on surface really is that extension of silver strand, that multi-paralleling, sub-paralleling veins. That means that we're not just looking at silver strand anymore. You know, we had this was in an unconsolidated land package before, so it's never been walked. It's never been viewed. We have new logging roads in the area that allow us access and give us the ability to look at outcrops that were previously unavailable to be seen before. So we have that 5.5 kilometer consolidated land package under Lakewood that we're seeing mineralization all the way across. And this is on the side of the Burnt Cabin Fault, which is a splay off the Osborne Fault. And as we've talked about before, historic mines, silver mines, have come off this Osborne Fault. Lucky Friday, Galena, Sunshine, just to name a few, and a number of them are still running. So it's really exciting that it plays to the story, but it also plays to the fact that there is something there.
Definitely. So Lakewood Exploration recently appointed Ron Burke as technical advisor. Can you tell us what this means for the company?
Oh man, Ron has been a tremendous value add for us. He brings a wealth of geology, executive role experience, and guidance. Ron Burke has a background with Centerra Gold. He was a senior VP of exploration for them. He's worked for Teck. He's worked for Silver Standard. Like this gentleman is an incredible value add for the guidance. And I can tell you, I've been on many phone calls with him over the past 2 weeks, and has really helped us guide and understand our exploration project, but also just been that background advisor that we needed. And I mean, between him and Lawrence Ralston and our chief geologist Phil Mulholland, you have a combined experience of just under 150 years. So you don't often get people like Ron Burke that are willing at this stage in their career to come in and actually help you out. He can be selected about any project or any team he wants to work with, and he chose to work with us. And also, side note, this transaction that's happening, this Eliza Silverton transaction, I mean, there was a lot of interested parties, but the party that was selling it decided to work with us. And I think it speaks a testament to who we're bringing on, to our team. It really does.
Wonderful. So what's the one thing you're most excited about for the company over the next 6 to 12 months?
Oh man, everything. I'm excited about a clear direction on our drilling program at Silver Strand, expanding that to depth. Now that we're seeing all that mineralization on surface, coming up with a strong surface working program concurrently, while also concurrently doing this transaction and bringing in the Eliza Silverton properties and coming up with a geology program for that. So I mean, we're well capitalized to do all of this, and in areas that are prolific for silver. Being a silver bull, when I look at things like this, and like I said before, my background is building mines, not exploring and capital markets, but we have those teams with us. We have all 3 teams. We also have the ability to explore near-term production potential and acquire, and we just shown 2 of those. So it's pretty exciting what's coming up, but what also keeps coming down the pipeline. I mean, to have these types of three types of projects in these 2 jurisdictions in a company within 2-3 months of inception, and quality tier 1 potential assets, you don't get that. You really don't. It speaks testament to our team.
Couldn't agree more. So where should investors go for more information about the company?
www.lakewoodexploration.com. Our website is up. It's new. It's exciting. It's got our amazing hammer logo in the background, and which I'm pretty excited about. But you go there. If you go to the bottom and you have investor relations questions, you can talk to Christina Pilon. Her contacts are there at the bottom. And just a reminder, we are listed on the CSE at LWD and on the OTC at LWDEF.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Morgan. I look forward to having you back. I'm sure you'll have more exciting news and updates for us to come.
Thanks, Aaron. Much appreciated.
All right, guys, that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to say, if you do support me, the channel, and all these videos, then kindly smash that like button along with hitting the subscribe button and the bell for notifications for future videos. I did also want to say, check the disclaimer down below. This video was sponsored by the company that we are talking about today. So check the disclaimer, full disclosure, and we're out of here. Always remember, guys, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you make your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.